Hi, I'm Mike from SuperCover. How many times has this happened to you? After a long winter, first barbecue of the season, you go to have your barbecue and you find that your cover is being torn to shreds by either raccoons or squirrels. Or if you're a hot tub owner, how many times have you replaced your hot tub cover? Either due to rips, tears, or just accidents. At SuperCover, we build products that are built to stand the test of time. Our products incorporate materials that are used by the US military to protect their soldiers and their gear. Companies like Ferrari and Land Rover also utilize this material in their interiors of their vehicles. At SuperCover, we bring this technology into your homes to protect your luxury items. SuperCover products are built to withstand the test of time. Hi, I'm Mike from SuperCover. We're going to show you some of the reasons why you should choose SuperCover to protect your luxury items. SuperFabric versus vinyl. And SuperFabric. Now you decide what product you want to protect your luxury items in your home.